Warning, not for potty trainers or the weak of bladder.
What unspeakable horror is it that can drive a sane man to madness, a healthy man to ruin, a well-groomed man to some really unfortunate choices concerning his hair?
Beware! Beware ye the house! It's bad. Go ye nowhere near it. Beware! It's got bad plumbing.
This is the house, Mo. All we have to do is fix up the place for the next renters and we'll be in gumball heaven. Handy Mouse Ches at your service.
Like you need any more hands, Handy Mouse?
No, I've got plenty, thanks. Let's check the place out. It probably only needs a quick dusting.
I think they like it, Cecil.
Sure they do. This is Mrs. J. I was wondering if I might be able to have a day off.
What? You just had a day off 200 years ago. No. I'm afraid I need my handyman right here in case of an emergency. He looks like an emergency.
Wow! Spanking! Hey, you think there are any bugs?
This house probably has all sorts of surprises.
Bugs? There are no bugs.
Of course not. The rats ate them all.
I'm sure it'll look a lot better after we clean it up.
What do they mean, clean? I thought you cleaned already.
Well, I went over it once.
When was that?
20 years ago.
Cecil!
You take care of the living room. I'll start with that plumbing. I'm an expert with a plunger, you know.
My buddy Ches is one gone cool cat. Wasn't a thing that he ain't good at. He's the best plumber I ever dug. Wasn't a drain he couldn't unplug.
Nice poem. Start sweeping. And make sure you sweep up the whole floor. If you want me, I'll be in the bathroom.
Did you tidy the bathroom?
Hey, come on, Mrs. J. Even I don't go in there.
All right, let's see what the problem is. 10 to 1, it's that thingamabob on the doohickey. Told you I was an expert. I see.
Make sure you sweep up the whole floor. You're the boss, Mouse Cat. Like house cleaning's a gas. Hey, Chase!
My floor!
All right. Keep your head on, Mrs. J.
Hey, Chase! All done sweeping, Chase.
That's great, Mo. Why don't you go have a short break and stack up the furniture?
Right, Rudy, old buddy. Have a break stick and short up the furniture. Have a short stick and break up the furniture. Oh, that's it. Have a short stick and break up the furniture.
My chair!
Hold on, Mrs. J.
Well, there we go.
Hey!
Nice, huh? Now watch.
Got you! Like red light, green light. 1, 2, 3, daddy-o!
Hey, Mo, great job.
Like really? Hey, thanks, see-through cats. Gumballs?
Ghosts!
Like, good thing I didn't have to tinkle.
Stay away from that house. Go nowhere near it.
Yeah, like whatever he just said.
And thus our heroes learn a valuable lesson. There is more, so much more to this world than our mortal eyes can see. Particularly once you get into the pipes.
And, there.
Ah, good! A nice place to vacation! My precious brain needs a rest!
Open door now. I hurry to use the toilet. For artistic purposes, of course.